Now practice set 21, sum number 1. Angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. It's shown in the diagram. ACD is exterior of triangle ABC. The measures of angle A and angle B are equal. See, angle A and angle B are equal. Equal marks are there for both the angles, means they are equal. If measure angle ACD is 140, find measure of angle A and B. So first we will be starting with given. So what is given? Angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. And what else is given? Angle A is equal to angle B. These 2 points are given in question. Next we have to write to find. What we have to find? Measure angle A and measure angle B both. But if we found any of the one, directly we will be getting other angle. If we found A, we will be getting B. If we found B, we will be getting A, because both are equal. Let's start with solution. Yes, as we can see, exterior angle is there, so we are going to use exterior angle property here. So as per exterior angle of a triangle, what we know as per exterior angle of a triangle, that angle A plus angle B is equal to angle ACD. Okay, because what's the measure of exterior angle? Exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite remote interior angle. So these are the interior angles, and why they are known as remote opposite? Because C is also interior, ACB is also interior, but ACB is linear to this angle. Hence it is not opposite, it is adjacent. Therefore, A and B becomes remote interior opposite angles of exterior one. That's how we are going to see exterior remote interior angles. So when we add these two angles, we get exterior angle. So A plus B equal to ACD. Okay, also one thing is given in question is measure angle ACD equals 140 degree. We have to write that. Now instead of B, I can write angle A because both are equal, and instead of ACD, I can write 140 degree. Now two angle A's are there, so I can write 2 angle A. 2 we will take on to that side and it will become division. So angle A is 70 degree. If angle A is 70, so angle B is also 70. So our final answer is measure angle A is equal to 70 degree and measure angle B is also 70 degree. So this is how we are going to find our solution. Okay, question number 2. Using the measures of the angles given in the figure alongside, find the measures of the remaining 3 angles. Means remaining 3 angles we have to find AOF, then BOC and EOD. These 3 angles we have to find. Also, the remaining angles which is given does not have proper measurement. They are in terms of variables 8y, 6y and 4y. So we are going to use 2 property here. One is vertically opposite angles and second is linear pair of angles. First, let us do here itself. Now AOF is vertically opposite to COD. See, AOF and COD. These 2 angles are vertically opposite. So if this is 6y, then this is also 6y. Then BOC is vertically opposite to EOF. So if EOF is 4y, then BOC is also 4y. Now AOB is vertically opposite to EOD. So this is 8y, then EOD is also 8y. Now we know all angles in terms of variables, so it will be easy for us to find the answer. Now can you see this line FC? Yeah, now this FC is a straight line, and in this straight line three angles are being formed. Now when the angles are formed in a straight line and when we add up, the answer is 180 degree. Hence when we add up these three angles which are in a straight line, so these three angles when we add up will give us 180 degree. That's how we will be finding the measurement of angles. Okay, so let's start. Directly we can start, no need to write given to find. So first we will apply vertically opposite angles. So we will be writing this: angle AOF is congruent to angle COD, which is equal to 6y. Then angle AOB is congruent to angle EOD, which is equal to 8y. Then angle BOC congruent to angle FOE, which is equal to 4y. Now all these three reasons will be what? Vertically opposite angles. Now we have to take three linear pairs. So AOF, then AOB and BOC. When we add these three angles, we will be getting 180 degree. So angle AOF plus angle AOB plus angle BOC gives 180 degree. Why? What will be the reason? Linear angles. I am writing here linear angles and not pair, because if I am writing pair, it indicates two angles. That's why I am writing linear angles. So there are three angles. That's why. So what is AOF? AOF is 6y. Hence we will write here 6y. What is AOB? AOB is 8y. And BOC is 4y. Now all are in terms of y, hence we can add them. So 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 4, 18y. Y and 18 are in multiplication form. When we move 18 to that side, it will become division. Therefore, y is equal to 10 degree. Now we got y, value of y, we can substitute that and we will get the answer. So what all angle we want to find? Angle AOF. So measure angle AOF is 6y. So 6 into 10 equal to 60 degree. Then measure angle. Next is BOC. BOC is 4y, means 4 into 10, which is 40 degree. And lastly, measure angle EOD, which is 8y, means 8 into 10 equal to 80 degree. So this is our solution. Okay, third question. In the isosceles triangle ABC, angle A and B are equal. Angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. The measure of triangle ACB and ACD are 3x minus 17 degree and 8x plus 10 degree, means ACB is 3x minus 17 and ACD is 8x plus 10. Find the measure of angle ACB and ACD. Also find measure angle A and angle B. Now, very first thing which we are going to do here is to draw a diagram by reading the question. So it says triangle ABC. Always draw diagram using pencil and a ruler. Right now I can't hold ruler, so I am drawing freehand diagram. So triangle ABC. Okay, in triangle ABC, A and B are equal, means angle A and angle B are equal. When angles are equal, I am showing equal mark to them. Let me write with pen so that it is visible to you all. You have to write with pencil. Angle A and angle B are equal. Now the measure of angle ACB and ACD are 3x minus 13. ACB means interior side is 3x minus 70. And ACD means ACD exterior angle is 8x plus 10. Find ACB, ACD means these two angles we have to find. Also find A and B. Okay, let's start. First we have to start with given. What is given? Angle A and angle B are equal. Then measure angle ACB is 3x minus 17. Measure angle ACD is 8x plus 10. And angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. What we have to find? We have to find all these four angles. Angle A, angle B, angle ACB and angle ACD. We have to find their measures. Now in solution. First, let us use linear angle here. When ACB and ACD we add up, we will get 180 degree because they are linear angles in a straight line. So angle ACB plus angle ACD equal to 180 degree. Reason we will write linear pair. Now how much is ACB? 3x minus 17. And how much is ACD? 8x plus 10. Now 3x plus 8x. 3 plus 8 is 11x. Next is minus 17 plus 10. Minus plus minus. Minus plus minus. So 17 minus 10, 7. Greater number sign minus. Minus 7 moving on to that side becomes plus 7. Now 11 will go on to that side and becomes division. Let us divide here. 11 ones are 11. 11 sevens are 77. So how much is x? 17 degree. Therefore, let's find ACB. ACB is 3x minus 17. So 3x means 3 into 17 minus 17. As per BODMAS, we have to multiply and then subtract, which gives us 51 minus 17, that is 34 degree. Same way, angle ACD is 8x plus 10 means 8 into 17 plus 10 degree. So 17 8s are 8 7s are 56. 136 plus 10, which gives us 146 degree. We got two angles out of four angles. We got these two angles. Now we have to find A and B. Now remember, if we get A, we will get B. If we get B, we will get A, because both angles are same. Now which property we will use? Again, exterior angle property we will use, because ACD equals to angle A plus angle B. So let's solve ahead. Therefore, angle A plus angle B equal to angle ACD. Reason we will write exterior angle of a triangle. Now instead of B, I can write A, because both are equal. ACD we got 146. 2 angle A are there, so 2 angle A equal to 146. 2 will move on to that side, becomes division. Therefore, angle A equal to 73 degree. Therefore, angle B is also 73 degree. Now, final answer. Angle A equal to angle B equal to 73 degree. Angle ACB equal to 34 degree. And angle ACD equal to 146 degree.